Hello everybody, it is Mr. Modern Financials here, coming at you with another video. Guys, if you enjoy making money from home, working for yourself, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, paid surveys, anything along those lines, you have to do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and leave a like on the video, because that way the YouTube algorithm is going to notify you whenever I upload new money-making videos on this channel. Once again, hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and now let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so in today's video, we're going over Apperwall. Now what this is a very simple process. The way this works is you download an app, you write a short review for that app, and you get paid, okay? And this works on iPhone and Android, so this works for 90% of the smartphones out there. I know there's a couple of people who might be watching who have a Windows phone or a BlackBerry, I get that, but 90% of the people out there, this works for. And the best part about this, the part I really like about this is a very low minimum payout. So the way a minimum payout works is a lot of these websites, they have a minimum threshold you have to reach before you could cash out that money into PayPal or into your bank. The way this works is it has a $1.50 minimum payout. Awesome, very low, and that's good because you don't waste any time. You could do a couple reviews and then you get paid, couple reviews and then you get paid. And it's a really simple process, and you can make decent money doing this. Is this going to make you rich? No. Is this going to be a replacement for a full-time job? No. But this definitely can be a good source of side income, a good side hustle, something you do on the side to help pay some bills or, get some investing money or anything along those lines. You can do this to just simply make some extra money on the side. So the way it works is you download the app, right over here, download the app, you get a link to the new apps daily, then you will write a review on the app. It says use the app for a while and then leave a short and concise review. It will take just a few minutes. Then you get money. As soon as your review passes the moderation, the reward will be added to your account. You can withdraw your money to PayPal. So this is great for people who want to get it into their PayPal account quickly and concisely. Get it into your PayPal account. Download the app every day. You will get new links to new apps daily, and they will do that via the service or messenger bots, okay? You will write the review and then you get paid. Very simple. Look how much money they've paid over, right? That's how much money they've paid their members. And look how many people are using them, right? This is not a small website. This is not some offshoot website that no one's heard of. This is a well-reviewed website that actually pays you to review apps. How much can I earn? So if you do just one review per day, you will earn up to $30 a month. Now you can earn more than that if you do more reviews, okay? But on just one review per day, you'll earn about $38 a month. So you do the math. That's about $1 per review. That's not bad, guys. That's not bad. This doesn't take long to do. This does not take long to do. It takes literally less than 10 minutes. So in an hour's time, if there's a lot of apps on the day that you could review, you just do them. If you could get 10 done in an hour, that's $10 an hour, right? That's not bad at all. And again, this is just as very conservative numbers, because realistically, it should only take you 2 to 3 minutes to do it, all right? Realistically, what do you need to get started? All you need is an internet connection and a PayPal account, okay? That's all you need. That's all you need to get started. How can I withdraw my money? You could withdraw to PayPal. Also, gift cards will be added soon. I've used this website recently. I haven't seen the gift card option, so I'm not sure when they're adding that, but hey, PayPal, it works. It's easy to use. Low fees on PayPal. Just use PayPal. I mean, why not? It's very simple to use, okay? I'm going to put my link in the description for this website, Apperwall. I'll put my link down below. You guys can check out my link, and I think you might get a bonus. I'm not 100% sure, so don't quote me on that, but I think if you use my link in the description, you get a bonus, but again, I'm not sure about that. You don't have to use my link. You could just type in the website yourself if you want to, but nonetheless, this website's very good reviewed. You could go over to Reddit. I found a Reddit post on Bear Money, which is a very good subreddit, and it has a good amount of reviews on this, all right? Most of the people on this thread over here on the subreddit said fairly positive things about it, so you might as well give it a try. You have nothing to lose. $1.50 minimum payout from what they've said, so very, very good. That's really it for this video. There's not much else to say. Get on there, use my link, get earning, and start making some good side income from this website. Hit the subscribe button, leave a like. I will catch you guys in the next video, and as always, have a great day.